Hello Poland dreamers, are you dreaming of living and working in one of the Schengen countries like Poland? Do you also want to experience the visa-free entry in 26 Schengen countries? So guys, this is your chance to achieve your dreams because our company, Just Migrate Now, is offering multiple jobs in Poland. So here are some jobs categories. Number 1, labor meat factory. So what is the job that you are going to do every day? Secluding turkey's thighs from bones. Poultry slaughtering is also possible. And cleaning up a workstation. Number 2, metal workers. So what is the job here is to prepare details for welding, assembling containers details, and dealing with an electrical appliances. So number 3, welders MIG MAG. So what is the job here is to weld stillages and containers for car parts. Number 4, labor in a sawmill. So producing work products such as benches, summer houses, garden decorations, details installation, picking and folding planks. And one more thing, women are also supposed to do all that job as well. Alright. Number 5, metal workers. So the job here that you need to do is to work as a metal worker in a factory that produces containers for car parts and pallets, etc. Next. Number 6, welders. You need to weld containers for car parts and pallets. Work can vary, it depends on orders. Number 7, cleaning an industrial factory. So the job here is to clean the fish factory and work with cleaning supplies. Number 8, cleaning an industrial factory. Cleaning the meat processing plant, work with cleaning supplies is going to be your job. Next. Number 9, cleaning an industrial factory. So cleaning the factory which produces lettuce, work with cleaning supplies, and packaging the lettuce is going to be your work as well. Next. Number 10, a boiler enamel assistant. Workers are responsible for boilers enameling by use of specific equipment and put them into a big kiln. Number 11, laborers. Sorting boilers out that gets out of the kiln and cleaning boilers pipe. Next. Number 12, a welder's MIG MAG. So the job description here is to workers are responsible for pipes and spirals, welding, quality control of welded joints. Next. Number 13, packaging pork meat. Pack and fold meat in boxes. Next. Number 14, cutting meat. What you need to do here is to just cut pork meat separate from bones and skin and no slaughtering. Lastly, number 15, packaging ready products. Packaging ready meats products in different packets. If you want to know more details about this, do not hesitate to contact our counselor, or you may send your most updated CV to info@justmigratenow.com. Send us a message on WhatsApp +971 55 258 2621 or visit our website www.justmigratenow.com. Thank you so much and God bless us all.